everyone. In this video, we will be talking about the last learning objective of this chapter, pretesting and revising a questionnaire. So this is an important question that we need to decide that whether the question will be pretested and how do we revise our questionnaire. So first of all is pretesting. You probably can remember we discussed in our previous lectures that questions are pretested to identify or to find out if our respondents are understanding our questions or not. Because you understand that if you are going to conduct a large scale survey, you send your questions to your respondents, you get the responses, you tabulate the results, but finally you realize that your respondents misunderstood your questions, then it may not be suitable that you redo the whole process. That's why pretesting is done. The questionnaire is generally sent to a small sample that is very similar to the large sample that we will be surveying, and they are sent to this small sample. The results are collected, they are tabulated, and then researcher look at the results to find out that whether the results are consistent with the objective of the study or not. So in this way, researcher try to find out if there is any inconsistency with the research objective they want to achieve and the way the respondents are answering the question. If there is any inconsistency, then researcher can revise the questionnaire. Then back translation, actually this is the process of revising or adjusting a questionnaire. Sometimes it might be possible that we write down questionnaire in one language and it needs to be translated into another language. Now the problem is, you know, that the way we write down or the phrases or the prefixes that we use in one language may not be same in other language. That's why if we simply translate questionnaire from one language to another language, sometimes meaning may be changed. That's why we follow the process of back translation. This is a simple process. So in this case, first of all, the questionnaire is written in its original language, let's say in English. Now this questionnaire needs to be translated into Arabic, for example. So this English questionnaire will be translated into Arabic. Then this Arabic questionnaire will be translated back into English by a different independent translator. So now you have two English versions of the questionnaire. One was the original one, another is translated back from Arabic. So then these two questionnaires will be compared to see if there is any discrepancy or not. And if so, it will be revised. So in this chapter, we basically learned about questionnaire design, the guidelines for constructing questionnaires, layout questionnaire, and pretesting and revising questionnaire. So this is the end of this chapter. Thank you very much.